Hi friends, I'm Dr. Diwakar Gupta, Secretary IMA South Delhi Branch 2020-21. We are starting a newsroom through which we will connect regularly with the membership at large. This platform will be to share the activities at branch level and at state level. It's there to disseminate various information which are pertinent to the members or the information mostly asked by the members. Also, if you have anything that you want to share with the fellow members on newsroom for their benefit, you can make a video on your mobile and send it to us. It's your newsroom. Your suggestions and support is mandatory for it to continue and grow. We will eagerly wait for your response. So, let's start today. After taking over in July due to Corona, as you all know, all physical activities are curbed and we have been forced to digital platform. On Thursday, 16th July, first branch activity was held on Zoom. A webinar on family planning services in COVID-19 pandemic, challenges and strategies. This webinar clearly showed how COVID is bringing up new situations and different patients' need which has crept up due to sudden change in their lifestyles. Moderator Dr. Kavita Agarwal used a beautiful way of interactive presentation which kept more than 80 participants engrossed till the end. Dr. Kavita Agarwal is also the Vice President of the branch. She was well supported by two of our executive members, Dr. Kusum Agarwal as convener and Dr. Kiran Kukreja as panelist. The other two panelists were Dr. Gurmeet Bansal and Dr. Charanjit. For this informative webinar for the very important half population, our Senior Vice President Dr. Jaya Kapoor was the chairperson, and also with Dr. Savita Puri, past President and current member executive. Dr. G.S. Grewal graced the occasion as guest of honor. Of course, the President IMA South Delhi branch, Dr. Rajiv Ade, and Honorary Finance Secretary Dr. R.K. Bakshi represented the branch. It was great effort which succeeded well. Now I will take you to the great offer our own Dr. Vishu Bhasin has offered to the branch members, where he is offering COVID antibodies test to the members at discounted rates. This test will be done in a recorded time of 8 hours. Let's grab this great benefit that Dr. Vishu Bhasin is giving to us from Bhasin Path Lab. It's very important to keep ourselves safe as Corona is taking great toll on doctors. We recently lost our member to Corona, Dr. A.J.S. Juneja, a great surgeon and a very fine human being. He ran Healing Touch Hospital. Very many members of the branch have expressed their condolences along with the entire branch. We have also lost Brigadier Dr. D.N. Grover, father of our member Dr. Sameer Grover. Dr. D.N. Grover was a cardiologist and he was cardiologist to the ex-president of India, Gyani Jail Singh. He was past president, Cardiology Society of India, and he was awarded Lifetime Achievement Award from CSI. We pray Almighty to rest these great souls in peace. So friends, that's for today. Please let us know how was it. Your suggestions will help us to improve. Signing off, this is Dr. Diwakar again. Take care and stay safe.